Hi everyone, welcome to Organic Creations. I hope you all are doing fine today. So on request by many people, I'm making an all-in-one shampoo, an all-in-one herbal shampoo today. Now this shampoo is going to be an all-purpose shampoo for anti-dandruff treatment, for hair growth, for hair fall control. So here, since it's a herbal shampoo, we are using a lot of herbs here, which we are going to boil into a good concoction, and this is a liquid after boiling. So the herbs that I have here, I have taken some neem, I have taken licorice, I have taken amla, I have taken rosemary, I have taken flaxseed, I have taken methi. So these are all my blend of herbs that I have in this, which gives an excellent all-in-one hair care. So any one of y'all having any of these type of hair issues, scalp cleansing, just for a detox and a good scalp cleansing effect, you can go ahead and use this shampoo. So we'll quickly start with the making of the shampoo. Now this is my herbal concoction. I have taken all these herbs that I have here, 2 grams of each, and I have boiled it. This is how the solution looks. Now in the solution, I am going to be using my ready soap base, because that is something which everyone finds very easy to make. So any one of y'all can make it. This is a thick soap base which I'm going to be using. For people who are interested in learning how to make this thick soap base, y'all can connect with me on the WhatsApp number given in the description box. We do have workshops to make these thick soap bases, which you can directly add in any of your liquid, herbal liquid, and you can make your soft, silky, shiny shampoo. So here I have taken my liquid ingredients, and in this I'm just going to go ahead and add my shampoo base. So for this 200 grams liquid, I'm adding 50 grams of this thick shampoo base, which is much more than enough to give a lovely thick consistency to your shampoo. You also have these bases available in the market outside. You can buy it from there as well. These are all SLS, SLES free bases which we make. So slowly we'll go ahead and mix this with the liquid solution. Okay, so now I have left the shampoo base in the liquid for around 45 minutes, and this is how we have everything has got well combined in the mixture, and this is how our shampoo looks. It's got a beautiful glaze, shine, the herbal color. So now we'll quickly go ahead and add our fragrance to this. I've gone ahead and weighed out a little bit of fragrance, and we'll give it a mix. Okay, and this is a shampoo that can be used thrice a week without any problem. For people having excessive hair fall, you all will see a lot of difference, a lot of results after continuous use of this shampoo. Plus people who have excessive oily hair, dandruff, sticky dandruff, flaky dandruff, you'll see a considerable reduction in that as well. The basic formulation is going to be shared with you all, what we have made today. If anyone wants to learn how to make the shampoo base from scratch, you can definitely get in touch with us on the WhatsApp number that's given in the description box. And if you like what I share with you all, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also we will just pour this into our container, and as many people keep asking me about the lather of the shampoo, we will also show you how the lather looks like, how it feels on application. So we'll take a small amount of the shampoo here, and we'll add some water. And you can see the lovely lather that we have here with our sulfate paraben free shampoo bases. This is the lather that you can expect, and this is a very good rich creamy foam that you can get for a sulfate paraben free product. So if anyone is interested in learning how to make these, please do connect with us. Thank you so much everyone.